Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can disable camera on Skype. So let's start. The first thing, what you want to do is just be in Skype, and when you're going to be here, you just want to simply, when you're going to start the call, you're going to have this button here right next to the, and you just press it, and straight away turn video off. And this is how you can disable it, right? Isn't offline, but this is how you do it. You start a video call and you just press this button, turn video off, and it will automatically become off. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.